first thing you're going to do here is just flip it upside down. This Allen wrench came with the set, so I use that to remove the 4 screws at the bottom. Make sure not to lose these little washers that come with them. You want to make sure to put that back in at the end. When you flip it open, you're going to want to push this button right here that locks the blade in place, and then take this tool and place it on the top of the blade. I did need to use my husband to help me because I was not strong enough to twist it. Then we got it loose, we removed the top piece, took out the blade, and then I cleaned out any dust that I found in there and then made sure to put the next blade back in the same direction. There's also an arrow on it that tells you in case you're not sure, and then tighten it back down just like we did before. Put in the 4 washers, and then just take the Allen wrench again and tighten all of those 4 bolts back down. Simple as that. Done. Once again, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to like, share, comment, or subscribe.